In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show ruler in Canva. If you've ever tried to line up text, images, or shapes in Canva and felt like things were just a little bit off, turning on the ruler and guides can make a huge difference. They give you a clear sense of spacing and alignment, so your designs look cleaner and more professional. Let's walk through exactly how to turn them on, step by step. First, open the Canva design you want to work on. This could be anything: a social media post, a presentation slide, a poster, or any other format. Once your design is open, you'll be inside the Canva editor. Take a moment to let everything load so you can clearly see your canvas and the toolbar at the top. Now, look towards the top left area of the Canva editor. You'll see a menu option labeled File in the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your design and your workspace. In that drop-down menu, move your mouse down to the option labeled Settings. Don't click it just yet. Instead, hover your cursor over Settings. When you hover there, another panel or submenu will appear next to it with more options. In this submenu, look for the option that says Show Rulers and Guides. Click on Show Rulers and Guides. As soon as you do, you should see rulers appear along the top and the left side of your design area. These rulers display measurements that help you position elements with precision. Once the rulers are visible, you can use them along with guides to align your content consistently. For example, you can drag guides from the rulers onto your canvas to mark margins or to keep key elements in line with each other. If you want an even faster way to toggle the rulers on and off, Canva also offers a handy keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Shift and the letter R at the same time. Pressing Shift plus R will show the rulers if they're hidden or hide them if they're already visible. This is especially useful when you're switching between a clean view of your design and a more technical view with rulers and guides. And that's all you need to do to show the ruler in Canva and use it effectively while you design.